There are many products available to choose wine buckets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wine buckets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wine Enthusiast Double-Walled Iceless Wine Bottle Chiller. This Wine Enthusiast bucket is another notable option to keep your wine chilled without the mess of melting ice or condensation. It is made for wine that you've pre-chilled in the fridge and want to keep cold while it sits on the table. Perfect for dinner parties or everyday use, the double-walled design of this iceless bucket keeps your bottle cold for up to 3 hours. The transparent design of the shell also allows you to see which wine you're drinking without the hassle of taking it out. If you're seeking a simple and functional wine chiller that costs less than a good bottle of wine, this is the one for you. Dimensions: 6x6, 9 inches weight, 1.55 pounds material, acrylic. Number 2. Oggi Wine Cooler Stainless Steel. This no-frills wine chiller is great for those looking for a more affordable option or something that's versatile for both indoors and outdoors. It's made of food-grade stainless steel and features double-wall insulation that will keep your chilled bottles colder for longer. The brushed stainless steel adds a contemporary feel that's also practical. Any accidental scratches or fingerprints are less likely to show up on the finish. Although this budget-conscious wine chiller is just 5 inches in diameter, it's enough to hold a single bottle of still or sparkling wine with a little extra room left over for water and ice. However, the size also means that it's small enough to fit inside the freezer to make it extra cold before inserting your bottle. Dimensions: 5x5 x 7.2 inches weight, 15.4 ounces material, stainless steel. Number 3. Yeti Rambler Beverage Bucket. From the same brand known for its durable, reusable water bottles, this extra-large beverage bucket from Yeti features a rubber grip handle, non-slip bottom, and double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel. We love that it comes with a lid to increase the thermal retention or keep your ice protected from the elements to use for cocktails. Its 256-ounce capacity can easily hold 3 full bottles of wine or a 6-pack of beers. Keep it on the back patio for an impromptu picnic with friends. Or take it along camping to pair with your favorite outdoor wine glasses. The cushioned, rotating handle makes it easy to move around, despite the hefty 6.7-pound weight. It comes in 3 core colors: navy, white, and stainless. But the company has also released limited edition shades for an extra pop of color. Dimensions: 11.5 x 8.8 inches weight, 6.7 pounds material, stainless steel. Number 4. CaddyO Bottle Chiller. When you need to bring cold wine to an event, reach for a portable wine tote. The CaddyO Bottle Chiller has a bucket to chill your wine, along with a stylish zippered bag to store it and take with you on the go. Remember to freeze the removable gel ice core before use, then enjoy your satisfyingly chilled wine for up to 9 hours. This handy chiller also works for water and soft drinks. As a bonus, the carrying strap includes a pouch with a stainless steel wine opener and foil cutter. Think of this chiller tote as the perfect accessory for your camping trips, outdoor meals, picnics, and more. Dimensions: 15x6 x 6 inches weight, 2.5. Number 5. BergHOFF Zeno 9-inch stainless steel champagne cooler. Round and wide like a disco ball, this silver bucket can fit a bottle of champagne or sparkling wine plus ice. Made from stainless steel, the bucket will chill your wine to the desired temperature and keep it cool long after you've popped the cork. The handle is ergonomically designed to ensure a sturdy grip for transport. The sleek design of this chiller works indoors and outdoors, from your fanciest of dinner parties to an evening on the patio. We're fans of how the curved shape adds a modern and unique twist to the conventional cooler bucket aesthetic. Hand washing is recommended, and it can be easily wiped down with soap and water. Dimensions: 9.84 x 9.05 x 9.05 inches weight, 2 pounds material, stainless steel. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.